Alright, back here. So far we've got ourselves a to-do list of what we actually are going to need. So since we're going to keep this anyway, we might as well get new spark plugs, wires, cap, rotor. I'll probably upgrade it to electronic ignition. There's our points. Everything looks pretty clean. You know, taking everything that's apart. I don't think I'm getting any spark. I didn't see any coming out. But I am getting power. I did check to see whether or not I'm getting power. I'm getting power. So, put ourselves together a little list. So we're going to need a carb rebuild, washer sprayer motor, turn signal switch. I don't know, I'm not getting anything out of the turn signals, but the hazards work somewhat. So got to get a hazard switch. The light switch kind of fell apart in my hand, so probably going to need another one of those. Fan switch, I can't get the fan to turn on, so we don't know whether or not that needs plugs, wires, cap, coil, windshield, right rear side marker, the tail light lenses, window seals. Probably get bearings. It needs brakes all the way around, and we're not going to mess around with it. We're just going to do the whole thing. Pads, rotors, drums, everything. Rims and the exterior mirror. Now I took the right front off. I don't like the way that the rims are sitting on there. They look nice. They really do. They look nice on it. But the way that they're on there, for me, it's not safe. I don't feel that it's that safe. So what I'm going to do is we are going to do this one up the same way we're going to do that one up. So what we need to do with this one first is got to get spark. Let's get it running. Let's get the brakes all good, and then I'll go back working on that thing. Push this out, and I'll get back to work going on that one. So what I'm going to do is everything that I painted red on that one is going to get painted blue on this one. So this one's going to have a blue valve cover with the MG on it. That's going to be blue. That's going to be blue. Probably take the pump off there and paint that one white. We'll probably change out the interior because it's not really that hard, you know. Change out the interior, we'll make it all black. Get black carpet. We'll also carpet the trunk. And then we'll do the same thing that we're doing on that one. Paint the rims white, and then put the centering around it. So basically we'll have one red one and one blue one that will basically almost look alike. So that's the plan on this, but you know, that's future and stuff like that. So I mean, we can get away with doing, you know, this, getting the stuff that we need over time. So that's what's on the agenda. You know, everything looks pretty clean. Spark plug. It doesn't look too bad. So cranks over, doesn't make any noise, so I'm happy. you know, we'll get it running. Next video hopefully will be first start. Got to get the wiring diagram on this one again. Alright guys, take it easy. Peace.